Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. Today I'm here to review the Society 11 secret Facebook group held by Andy Brocklehurst and Kurt Crowley. This group now costs $27 in a month, but the value you can get goes well over this price. I'm a member by the second month. The last few days Andy recorded a great webinar about creating Squeeze page, and the value of this webinar is 10 times the price you will pay for this group. But we are in 128 members right now. Everyone shares his posts, his video, his tricks, techniques, methods, and everything. And Andy is famous for his real reviews. If a product is bad, he will tell you. No secrets, no fake promises. It's all real inside this group, and you can get really the best. If you will enter Society 11 right now, will cost $27. If you will wait anymore, the price will go up to $47.11. Remember, the price is low until the 11th of April. So if you join before that date, you may stick with a little price per month. And this group is great because apart this Facebook group that's awesome, there's the internal Society 11 membership, an external site with a lot of products you may use for yourself or for as an outsourcing service you may offer to other people. There's a Checkbox Lock, Dropbox Direct Linker, Easy Headline Helper, Facebook Messenger, JSON at Creator, Lightbox Video Pop-up for WordPress or HTML, Video Rank System. This is a gem because in 2 minutes you may get your video on top of YouTube, and I did it a lot of times with my videos. Sales Page Copywriter for helping you creating great sales page in a few minutes, and WP Inserts. In the training area you will find how to do web push notifications for free, secure your domains with SSL, 6-figure mastermind sessions, Swift Press, Back to Basic, the register free method, Info Product Magic. Consider all these products are sold for price that go from $17 to $47 each. Even the complete products area with autopilot cache system pack downloads and commission hijacker, another gem from Andy Brocklehurst. The downloads area with the controversial secrets of relationship marketing, free traffic directory, online income mastery, and free graphic resource for marketers. And some accessory tools like the Zen Viral Page Creator, and some member shares like the Lethal Affiliate Weapon. You can get all these tools and the many more that will be added month by month by the two admins that are Andy Brocklehurst and Kurt Crowley. You may access their live video on the Facebook group, and you may also see the videos, the posts, the link, the training by other members, and a lot of value that gets shared on daily basis on Society 11 for just $27 per month. If you wait, you won't see this little price anymore because the price will go to $47.11. Be fast with your decision. As soon as you enter, you can join a group made of great people, great marketers that will share their great experience with you. Thanks so much and see you soon by Alessandro Zamboni. Bye bye.